Lower the window until it is about 4 inches up when measured near the door lock pull, green arrows. Remove the door panel. Please see a link at the end of this video for a complete article on door panel removal. Slowly peel the vapor barrier off the door. Be careful not to tear it when removing. If the vapor barrier does tear, replace it. Disconnect the window motor electrical connector by squeezing the release tabs and pulling it off, as indicated by the green arrow. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, push the window glass retaining tab towards the door to release. When you push the tab to release, pull up on the glass at the same time to disengage it. Once both retaining tabs are released, you can remove the window glass from the door. Pull the door glass out of the door rear corner first, moving it up and sliding it out of the door. Store the door glass in a safe place. In older 3 Series models, you could leave the glass in the door. With the E90, that is not the case. The top of the window regulator hits the glass when you try to remove the regulator. Unclip the window regulator cable from the clip inside the door as indicated by the green arrow. Pull it straight out to remove it. Working at the window regulator, remove the 5 10mm window regulator fasteners, green arrows. Remove the window regulator from the rear rail first, green arrow, then the motor side of the regulator. Be careful not to snag the wiring harness or scratch the door paint when removing. Remove the 3 T30 torque window motor fasteners, green arrows, then pull straight up to remove the window regulator. Install the window motor on the new regulator, then install and tighten the fasteners. Install the window regulator into the door front side of the regulator first, then install the regulator fasteners. When you tighten the regulator fasteners, try to align it in the same position it was before. The mounting holes are slotted to allot for adjustment. Returning it to the original position will make adjusting, if needed, much easier. Green arrow. Reattach the regulator cable into the mount as it was before. Slide the window glass front edge first into the door cavity, then push down on the window glass to engage the clips. Remaining installation steps are the reverse of removing. Properly route wiring harness as they were before, and be sure the vapor barrier is properly sealed. You may have to align and adjust the window glass when replacing a regulator. If so, I suggest picking up a repair manual, as there are many specific steps involved in doing so. Initializing the power windows. When the vehicle battery is disconnected or the power window components have been replaced, you have to initialize the power windows. A sign that you may need to initialize the windows is your one-touch window feature is not working as expected. Use the following steps to initialize your power windows. Close the window. Hold the window switch until the window glass reaches the top of the travel. Open the window. Hold the window switch until the window glass reaches the bottom of travel. Activate one-touch operation to close window. Once the window closes, confirm that the one-touch operation works in both directions of the window glass travel. If it does, the initialization is complete. If not, repeat the steps. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.